Hey guys, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 10 phrases you can use to break the ice with someone in English. The first phrase is, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living means, what's your job? How do you make money? What do you do during the week? Maybe you can tell me, what do you do for a living? Tell me in the comments below. If you're attending a conference or a party, you may also ask, are you from round here? Are you from round here? If you ask someone, are you from round here? It means, are you local? Are you a local person? Do you live near here? And the third, have you travelled a long way to get here? Have you travelled a long way to get here? I'm asking if you have had to take a long time to get from your house to here. And I think this is a good question to ask someone and a good icebreaker. Have you travelled a long way to get here through the internet? 4. Are you here alone or with a group? Are you here alone or with a group? Are you just one person or did you come with your friends? You may know I'm from the UK, and one thing we do like to talk about when we meet new people is the weather. So that's my 5th phrase, is anything about the weather. So for example, here it's winter at the moment, so I can say, it's cold out here, isn't it? It's cold out here, isn't it? My 6th phrase is, do you have a light? Do you have a light? If you ask someone, do you have a light? Then it means, do you have a lighter for my cigarette? Smoking maybe is a way to find new friends, but don't smoke, it's bad for you. My 7th phrase, I think is quite a common phrase, especially if you are in a place where there's lots of international people or people from different parts of your country, because I think a great question to ask people is, where are you from? Where are you from? And I think a very big conversation can begin from this question. My 8th phrase is to make a comment about the food. So, for example, you could say, the food's delicious here, isn't it? The food's delicious here, isn't it? Or, if you want to be negative, you could say, the food's disgusting, right? The food's disgusting, right? My 9th phrase is a fairly simple phrase. Maybe during the party or during a conference, wherever you are, you can just simply ask, are you enjoying the party? Are you enjoying the conference? I think it's a good question, because then you'll be talking about the party or the conference with the other person. So I think it's a great icebreaker. Are you enjoying this video? Tell me in the comments below. Phrase, the last one, you can ask, do you know many people here tonight? Do you know many people here tonight? This question just means, do you know anybody else at the party? Do you know anybody else at the conference? I think it's a fairly simple question, and another way you can get your conversation started. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new. If you did enjoy the video, then please give it a thumbs up, like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. And until next time, keep practicing.